to dance with nature and the universe. You don't get a choice. We're partnered with nature every day. It's just the way the universe works. The nature of nature is that it fully expresses itself to its greatest potential. Nature doesn't get a choice. Now, I'm going to give you an example. This is my backyard, pre-house. And it's completely cleared in preparation for grading and building. This is my backyard now. Do you notice anything different?
A lot different. Yeah.
I didn't give this tree permission to grow, yet it's approaching 100 feet tall. The nature of nature is it fully expresses itself to its greatest potential. We should too. And since you're in your own dance with nature, you should appreciate and gain strength from nature. So we are, by nature, optimistic, effective, productive, calm. These are all basic concepts. And we contaminate these by being out of coherence in our thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. One more time. Thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. And that should be a powerful realization